Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be talking about something different, something that I really don't discuss on my channel, and that is body hair. I mean, let's be real, we all have hair. Some people may have more hair than others, some people may have thicker hair than others. We all have it, and there's nothing worse than shaving every week, multiple times a week, making appointments to get a waxing done. It's very costly and there's a lot of maintenance involved, of course, if we want to have smooth, hairless bodies. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Roseskinco IPL laser hair device. And they did reach out to me and ask if I wanted to partner up with them to test the product out and to share it with all of you. So I agreed. So this video is in partnership with Roseskinco. So thank you for sponsoring today's video. But I really wanted to try this because I hate shaving. I could shave every other day if I really wanted to, especially certain areas on my body. And it's really, really annoying, and it's also time consuming. So I wanted to see if an at-home device is going to work. I want to know if it's going to make my hair grow back more sparse, more slowly, or if this is going to eliminate my hair in general. So I'm going to be reviewing this today. I'm going to tell you how to use it. I'm going to show you how I use it. And I'm going to tell you all of the good information that you need to know in regards to this, so that if you're thinking about purchasing an at-home IPL device, then hopefully my video will be able to answer all of your questions where you can make a decision whether this would be something for you or not. So let's get right into it. So I've actually just started using the Roseskinco device. I have only used it twice so far, and of course that isn't enough time to share before and after photos. So I am going to be updating you with another video in a month's time, maybe 5 to 6 weeks from now, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts and review on the device, and I'm also going to share some before and after photos and progress photos come then. So make sure that you subscribe and you ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on that upcoming video. So IPL stands for intense pulse light. Now the light energy from IPL gets absorbed by the melanin in your hair, and then this turns into heat and then destroys the hair cell. This will then cause your hair regrowth to grow in slowly. It will be more sparse, and eventually and hopefully we will be hairless in those areas that we treat. Now, according to Roseskinco, you can start to see visible results within 3 weeks of use and full results at the 12-week mark. Now, I feel like everybody may have a different experience when using an at-home IPL device because, of course, some people may have more hair than others, and you may have thicker, denser hair than other people as well. So some people may have to use it past the 12-week mark to get full results, and then you could be somebody that could experience full results within 8 weeks or so. It just really depends, and it also depends on how consistent you are with a device as well. So according to Roseskinco, you can use the device once a week, up to 2 times a week for those stubborn areas. You don't want to be using the device more than twice a week because, of course, this can be a little bit sensitizing on your skin, especially certain areas on your body. Bikini line is one of them. So everybody may have a different sensitivity level when it comes to the IPL device, but of course this device comes with 5 level settings, which is really great because if you're somebody that is more sensitive, then you can adjust the level of strength of the device. So let's talk about how to use the device. Now, first of all, men and women can use this. This isn't just a female thing. So if you're a male and you want to treat unwanted back hair, chest hair, whatever the case may be, you can also do this. And this is also a device that can be used on any body part, but according to Roseskinco, you don't want to be using this anywhere near your eye area. So I wouldn't be using this on your eyebrows. You basically want to use the device from your cheekbones down to your toes. So you want to make sure that the areas that you're going to be treating are freshly shaved. You don't want to be waxing or plucking, because when you do this, you're actually removing the hair follicle, and the IPL needs that hair follicle to attract to. So make sure you shave prior to using this. You also want to make sure that you have clean skin, you don't have any deodorant, body creams, body oils or even sunscreen on your skin. So make sure you do this right when you get out of the shower. And then once you treat your skin, then of course you can apply your sunscreen, your body creams and oils after that if you wish. There are 3 modes to choose from when you're using your device. So depending on what body part you are treating or how you would like to use it, you have options. Now the first mode is the stamp mode. This is perfect for your underarms, your bikini line, your Brazilian, your face, your upper lip area. It's very precise and I really like this mode for treating these specific areas on the body. The second mode is the glide mode. This is perfect for larger body parts like your arms, your legs, your torso, your back. And the third mode is the auto mode. Now, this is a great mode to be on if you don't want to worry about pushing the button every time you are treating a specific area. As soon as the device is flush to the skin, it will immediately start working. So you don't have to worry about pressing the button. So as soon as it touches your skin, it will start the treatment and then of course continue on. Now depending on if you are on the stamp mode, the glide mode, or the auto mode, it's very important that every time you treat an area that you lift the device up for a slight second to cool the bulb before placing it back down on your skin to treat the areas. It's a really good idea to do that. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use this on my underarms on the stamp mode. So Roseskinco says that you don't need to wear protective eyewear because the device doesn't work until it is flush against your skin. Now when you're treating your body, you don't want to be staring at the light while you're treating it, so you may want to close your eyes or look away or wear protective eyewear of some kind. Now when I'm treating my body, I actually put sunglasses on. I think it's a good idea to still protect your eyes just to be sure. So for today's video, I'm not going to put sunglasses on. I'm just going to look away while I'm doing it, but in general, I wear sunglasses and I think it's a really good idea to do so. So I have the cord here, the other end is plugged into the wall, and I'm just going to connect the cord to the device. Once you do that and you turn the device around, you're going to see a green flashing light. This indicates that there is power to the device. So to turn it on, you're going to press the green button once, and it does make a pretty loud sound. Now when you turn it around, you're going to look at this section here. Now the blue light indicates what level we're on. So right now I'm on level 1. You want to press that green button again to go to the next level. So now we're on level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5 being the highest strength. Now when you're first starting out with this device, you want to start with level 1 and then gradually work your way up to level 5 if that is your goal. Use the setting that is most comfortable to you. Don't use a setting that is very uncomfortable to use. Use a setting that works well for you and just stick with it. But the goal is to make your way to the highest settings so that the results are quicker and it can work a little bit better. So I haven't made it to level 5 yet, as I've only used the device twice. So I'm actually going to use it on level 2 today. So I'm gonna push the green button again one more time to bring it down to level 1 and then press it again for level 2. So yes, we're on level 2. So now we're gonna be on the stamp mode. So there is a warm sensation when I do this. It doesn't hurt at all. And of course you can look to see what you're doing and then of course look away. And it's really quick and easy to do, which I really like. This section might take me a minute and a half to do. And just like that, we are basically done. And now I'm gonna do my other underarm. If you notice that the light doesn't work when you do this, it's because you don't have this flush to your skin. It won't work unless it's flush to your skin. So I am very curious to see the results that I get. The bikini line is really where I want to treat, and of course my legs, my arms. I have high hopes for this. All right, so that's basically all the areas, and I am done. So if you were just treating a specific area, that honestly took 2 minutes. It's so quick. So then of course, to turn off the device, you're gonna press and hold the green button, and the device is turned off. I would let it cool for a little bit before storing it away, but that's all you have to do. So far I've had a great experience with the device. It's quick and easy to use, it's straightforward, it's painless, you don't need to apply any numbing cream prior to using the device. It truly is a great at-home device that you can do whenever you want. Now, I've had in-office laser hair removal done before, and we're going back 3 years ago, and I purchased a 5 treatment pack that costed me $750 at the time. Now, I only completed 4 treatments actually, because I didn't like the way that the office was running at the time, and after my 4th treatment it actually threw me off, so I didn't even want to go back for my 5th treatment. So of course I still have hair on my Brazilian, I still have hair on my underarms, and those were the 2 areas that I purchased to get the treatment done. But in general, it's very costly and it's very time consuming because you have to make the appointment, and then when you get to your appointment, they apply numbing cream on the areas that they're doing. That numbing cream is usually left on for a good 45 minutes to an hour before they start the laser hair removal, at least from my experience. And when you're getting your bikini done in office, you want that numbing cream because I feel like their machine is pretty intense. It can be very painful, and it was very uncomfortable, to be honest with you. Whereas with this, it's painless. Everybody may have a different sensitivity to it, yes, but you don't need numbing cream with this, and it's so quick and easy, and I'm not left uncomfortable afterwards. I really like the at-home versus the in-office at the moment. Of course, I'm gonna give you my final review and thoughts in a month's time, 5 to 6 weeks from now, but so far, this is my experience, and I'm really enjoying the device. I also wanna let you guys know as well that if you have any dark moles, freckles, or beauty marks, Roseskinco says it would be a really good idea to grab a white eyeliner pencil and fill in and cover over those areas prior to using the device over top of them. And by doing this, this will prevent further hyperpigmentation. Now, I am full of moles. I have a lot of freckles on my body, but I do have a lot of moles that are darker. So I did go and grab a white eyeliner pencil and I covered them over prior to using the device, and everything was fine. And of course, I haven't experienced anything out of the ordinary. So I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that in this video as well. So I do have a discount code for you guys, which I will leave right here. You can use my code sincerelymissash for 15% off. I will leave the link below for you where you can go and check out the device. Feel free to do some more research as well, but don't forget to come back in a month's time, 5 to 6 weeks from now, to see my before and after photos. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. I am going to be showing my after photos of my underarms, and I have pretty thick hair under my arms, so I'm really curious to see how this device is really going to perform, and I'm really hoping that I am going to have less hair than I do now. So stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and of course I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.